Pipe busted. Water's affected the garage. Laundry room full of water. Right now we're in the process of extracting all this water. And then what we'll do is a structural dry down to prevent any kind of secondary damage, being mold, mildew, any kind of growth. Mind you, this is clean water damage. Water ran all the way outside. It's created a pool and then landscaping. All the way over here. This is the kitchen area. Cabinets are affected. You can see the water line right there. It's wicked up into the wood. We're going to try to dry these down and salvage them. Water throughout the whole house. Doors are affected, swollen. Hard to close the doors sometimes. Carpet. Brand new carpet. Bathroom's totally affected. All the bedrooms. Back out to the laundry room. Here's the master. Secondary bedroom. Master bath is affected. Everything's affected. Landscaper called and said water wasn't running out from under the front door, so we responded within 20 minutes. Started extracting the water.